Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's topic is about human heart anatomy. In this topic we are going to discuss human heart structure and some basic terminology which is used for describing human heart structure. Human heart is a hollow muscular organ located in the thoracic cavity. Human heart has 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers and 2 bottom chambers. Upper chambers are called atrium and lower chambers are called ventricles. According to their location or position, they are differentiated from each other. So let's suppose this side of the page is left side of the heart and this side of the page is right side of the heart. Then this atrium is on the left side of the heart and it is called left atrium, and this side of the atrium is on the right side of the heart and it called right atrium. The chamber on the bottom side of right atrium is called right ventricle, and the chamber on the bottom side of left atrium is called left ventricle. And the artery beside left atrium is called aorta, and the artery beside right atrium is called pulmonary artery. The difference between artery and vein is that arteries carries blood away from the heart and vein carries blood towards the heart. You can see 4 pulmonary veins are present in left atrium. Their function is to drain highly oxygenated blood from lungs into left atrium. Whenever the word pulmonary is used, it means this vein or artery have something to do with lungs. In this case, these 4 pulmonary veins drains highly oxygenated blood from lungs into left atrium. On the other hand, in right atrium, a single vein called vena cava drains deoxygenated blood from all body into right atrium. Vena cava is divided into 2 parts called superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava drains deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava drains deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body into right atrium. So that the left side of the heart has 1 atrium, 4 pulmonary veins, a artery called aorta, and a ventricle called left ventricle. And the right side of the heart has a atrium, a right atrium, a artery called pulmonary artery, and a vein called vena cava, and a ventricle called right ventricle. Both left right atrium and aorta pulmonary arteries are separated by left right ventricle through these door-like structures called valves. These valves are unidirected and opens only in one direction. These attached muscle called tendon with valves helps valves to be unidirected and opens only in one direction. The valve of left and right atrium are inward directed and opens inside ventricles only, and the valve of aorta and pulmonary artery are upward directed and opens inside aorta and pulmonary arteries only. The valves of left and right atrium are called capsate. Both left and right capsate are distinguished from each other according to their number. Left atrium has 2 capsate or valve, and left atrium capsate are called bicapsate. Right atrium has 3 capsate or valves, thus right atrium capsate or valves are called tricapsate. Both aorta and pulmonary valves are named according to their artery names. Aorta artery valves are called aortic valves. Pulmonary artery valves are called pulmonary valves. as well as both aorta artery and pulmonary artery walls are also called semilunar walls. Left side of the heart has much thicker muscular wall as compared to right side of the heart. Left atrium and ventricle are surrounded by much thicker muscular wall as compared to right atrium and ventricle. The reason behind thicker muscular wall on left side of the heart as compared to right side of the heart is that left side of the heart supplies oxygenated blood to whole body and right side of the heart supplies deoxygenated or partially oxygenated blood to lungs only. In order to supply oxygenated blood to all parts of the body, left side of the heart needs higher power and higher strength to supplies or pumps blood towards all body. And this thicker muscular wall of myocardium tissue supplies strength to left atrium and left ventricle to pumps blood to all parts of the body. That's why the muscular wall of left atrium is thicker and muscular wall of right atrium and right ventricle is thinner. The human heart is surrounded by 3 layers. The uppermost layer is called pericardium. Pericardium is a sac-like membrane which prevents heart from overexpanding. The middle layer of the heart is called myocardium. Myocardium is the thickest wall of the heart, and this middle layer of the heart called myocardium is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, and the innermost layer of the heart is called endocardium. Endocardium makes the blood flow inside ventricles and atrium smooth.